Never stay away from the individual who loves you genuinely, since these days getting a true is difficult. Love information will give you power, however, great character will give you regard. Unfamiliar, try not to talk or accompany each other day in and day out long. A lot of anything is terrible for relationship. An individual who genuinely cherishes you won't ever let you go or abandon you, regardless how hard the circumstance is. A relationship implies you meet up to make each other better, support one another, construct one another, have faith in one another, be their tranquility, not their concern. Love is when nothing is okay and everything is harming you a ton. However, still you need a similar individual over and over. Once more, being called child makes a positive difference on the female cerebrum, causing moment profound pressure alleviation.